Hello everyone, this is Himanshu and in this tutorial I am going to tell you how to use date picker in your project. So first of all our final project will look like this. So here is a button, here is a text view. When you press a button, a dialog alert will appear here and in which a date picker is appear. So select a date and simply choose it. Here you can get date which you chosen on the date picker. So let's start. First of all, I create a main activity and simply go to the activity main XML file and add a button and a text view. Nothing fancy here. So in order to make a alert, we use activity. So in my case, I create a dialog activity and first I design its layout XML, and here you can see a date picker, simple, a date picker and a button. So just pause the screen and copy it. Now I make this activity as a alert. So go to a manifest file and here set theme, this theme.appcompact.daynight.dialog.alert, so that your activity will look like a alert, dialog alert, sorry. Now go to the main activity and here first let's check what is ID of our button. So in my case my button ID is choose and my text view ID is selected date. So add choose listener, select on click listener. So it's simply used to jump from this activity to another activity. Here I use start activity for result, so that our dialog activity will give us some data to our main activity. So go to dialog activity and here simply choose set on click listener, because in our dialog activity we also have a choose. So go to dialog activity and here we make intents, and by using these intents actually we load data to our intents, and the loaded intents we can send to our main activity, and our main activity will actually deal the data is equals to intent dot put extra, and here first I need day dot day of month dot to string. Now I want this intent data in our main activity, so just use request code. In our main activity I used 0, so same will be used here. That's all. Finish this dialog alert and manipulate this data to our main activity. So go to main activity and here you need to override a method which is on activity result. So here if our request code is equals to 0, then I can set our text view the data which we have get from our dialog activity. So first of all let's check, and here what is date? So date is nothing but your date picker ID, simple. Actually I forgot it, so here our text view ID is selected date. Go to main activity and selected date dot text which is equals to intent dot get string extra, and firstly I want year plus and save, copy here, control C, control V. We got year, we need month and plus and I need day. So that's all project. So here our project is first choose, and here dialog will appear, and simply select 6. Actually I'm not selecting May, it is June. Yeah, 10 June, and simply choose. Oops, I think something I will forgot here. So what is this? Oh, sorry. Here use data, because our intent is data, which is not null. Let's run the emulator and simply choose 6 May. Here you can 6 May 2020, and yeah, I choose July, 15 July, and here 15 July 2020. So that's all for this video, and thank you for watching this video, and if you like my video, please like and subscribe my channel for more upcoming videos. Thank you.